the Legoland.
All right.
5, 4,
We're gonna have some
3,
fun.
2, 1.
Look at Tommy. Where are you? Get down.
All your kids are right here.
Sorry, baby.
Oh, no. We're going to get mad.
Yeah, it's a hotel. It's a hotel. Guys, Lee, so what are you doing? You're right here in Legoland and you're gonna watch a movie? Yeah, a 3D movie. There you go. Whoa, lots of people. We'll just sit on top. Is this so much fun? Yeah. We're watching Legoland. Rice is so happy. Okay, we're gonna be starting soon. This is what we watched. Did you have fun? You like it? Pizza. What are you eating, Ryan?
Pizza.
Pizza? Is it yummy?
Yeah, but I'm feeding to her.
That's a pizza. Veggies for mom. Yeah, still have some. Yummy, you have to finish that.
Okay na? You can walk na? No? Kasi tatay tayo doon. No?
Inside the vehicle at all times. At this time, please put away all cell phones.
Rice is busy. He's making a car. Hey, that's a good job, Ricey.
Hi guys.
Ryan, good job.
Let me see what I
Yeah, you're back again.
Yeah,
And you're done. Yeah. Oh, the big one. Where's yours? This is Mommy, Daddy, and Ricey. Oh, go. Oh, look at it. Okay. Oh, it's so tall. Oh, you can hold it. It's so big. Oh, do you love Lego? Oh, yes, so much. Oh, have you been to Legoland? Where have you been? What else did you buy? Oh, it's okay. That's fine. Okay. Show the back. What else did you do in Legoland? Oh, you're making a big one now, right? Oh, that's lots of Lego. You can build a lot of things there. Oh, tama na yan. That's enough. Wow, that's a lot of Lego pieces. You can do a boat. Ooh, what is that? Oh, some animals. Elephant right there.
There?
Yeah, there.
Oh,
the
no, I
purple
see it.
one.
Oh, man. How's it? Oh. Is it? He's your buddy
What is
now?
that? Elephant and a frog? Is this a frog?
There's a baby animal.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
And?
there's a lot of pieces.
There's lots of pieces. Yeah, that's right. You can make a house right there. And car. And a castle.
I said, baby, a big Lego.
Oh, we're opening a big Lego today. Where did you get it? Oh, you got that from Legoland? Let me see. Let me see. Whoa, look at that. Because it's your birthday. So.
My birthday.
Yeah, it just finished. Yeah. So this is a gift.
This is coming in Legoland too.
So, shall we open it?
Yes.
Yes? You excited? There are lots of pieces. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, there's lots of pieces. Oh my.
You saw it? Ooh, look at that.
Open it.
Oh, sige, put everything out.
But there's more.
It's more? Ooh. Put everything out. Like in the believer. Oh, yeah, that's manual. Okay. Oh, now you taken everything out. Nothing's left inside. Oh, look what we've got. How many have you got now? Oh. 12, and then you still got this. Remember? 13. Us? Okay, so what have you got? What colors are these? Dark blue?
Light blue.
Light blue?
White, red and orange.
Red and orange?
Like lava.
Oh, like a lava, that's right.
Green and white and
Gray.
gray.
A dark green there. This one is brown, a dark brown and green. Oh, this one,
Dark green,
dark black and gray. Brown. This is light gray and white. This one is dark gray and
yellow and pink and purple.
pink and purple. Oh, this is mommy's love. Pink and purple. Yes. Open them. So it's all Lego pieces, alright? No person, no character.
I like their
Let's see. Nice.
Let me see.
And there is this manual.
This is it.
We're gonna see whales here. More collection, yeah. These are your previous collections. And you've got an additional 1,500 pieces. Yay! What are you making? You've got people there. Oh yeah, all those small pieces. You've got lots of small pieces there.
This is a laser shoot.
And you've got this one as well, right? You've made it?
That's a shark. Ooh, I died him. There's a shark. Body away. Oh yes. There. That's moving.
Oh, what is that?
It's gonna get us.
No, not unicorn. Let me have a look. Show it to me. Show it to the camera. Face it here. Let me see.
I want to put it together.
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, why did you take it off? That's pretty, unicorn.
Oh, what is the open?
Where did you get it? There's Legoland too. Is it a unicorn?
I love it. Oh, you take it off. That's why it's a Lego.
Pretty. Pretty.
We'll find out. High five, Mommy.
Oh, high five, honey. Ooh, gorgeous.
Crab. It's a crab, honey.
What is that? What's that song?
Oh, a sword.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a sword? Oh, that's great. Oh, yes.
Be bigger and dummy money.
Dami. Dami. Really? How much is it?
How much is that?
50. 100.
Why does...
Oh, kulang daw. Okay, mas mahal pa yung envelope ha.
4, 5...
What do you want? 3 or 6?
and 6.
Ay, dami ah. Ay, wow.
Wow, ang dami.
Nakatatlong envelope na to. Ako isa pa lang.
Honey, that's your wish, ah.
Big.
Oh, count. Count.
Oh, count it. 1, 2,
4.
oh, the other one. This one. 5. Oh, and
Wow.
another one. 5. No. 5. Put it there. Count again. One by one. No. This one. Yeah, this one. You count that. That's from me, huh? Put it there. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. So many, huh? 9. 9.
10.
Wow. 10, 11, 12.
12.
Wow.